Today we will see a calm pathway. Under calm pathway, we will see the introduction, definition, acidification and deacidification. Crossulian acid metabolism pathway, that is the calm cycle, occurs in succulent plants which grow under arid and semi-arid conditions. As the cycle was first observed in a plant belongs to family Crassulaceae. That's why it is named as a calm cycle. Mostly the best example of the calm cycle or pathway occurred in a bryophyllum, sedum, calanchu, and other plants. This metabolism has reported in other plant belongs to family Cactaceae, Apocynaceae, Orchidaceae, Portulaceae, Euphorbia, and Liliaceae. Those plants which follows this calm cycle are known as calm plants and are essentially the C3 plants possessing only a normal or mesophyll chloroplasm. They fix the atmospheric CO2 in a dark and accumulate a malic acid. They shows a diurnal patterns of organic acid formation. They are succulents in which the vacuoles functions for the storage of organic acid, that is the malic acid. In such a plant, the stomata remains closed during the daytime and open at the night. They possesses a xerophytic characters like a thick cuticle, sunken stomatas, presence of thorns, and reduced leaves. In a calm pathway, the first step occurs, that is the acidification. That acidification it takes place in a dark. The phosphenol pyruvate is the first CO2 acceptor and is produced from the breakdown of carbohydrates through glycolysis. Particularly the carbohydrates, when there is a breakdown, there is a conversion of pyruvic acid and phosphenol pyruvate. After formation of phosphenol pyruvate, that phosphenol pyruvate it accepts the atmospheric CO2 and gives rise to a oxaloacetic acid in presence of enzyme phosphenol pyruvate carboxylase and water. While you observe that reaction in that phosphenol pyruvic acid when interacts with CO2 and water, there is a formation of OAA and phosphoric acid. During night period, that OA is now reduced to a malic acid in presence of enzyme malic dehydrogenase. The reaction is facilitated by the NADPH2. While that oxaloacetic acid it interacts with that NADPH2, there is a formation of malic acid and NADP. The malic acid thus produced in the dark, it is stored in vacuoles. This causes the acidification during a dark period. After completion of acidification in a Crossulian acid metabolism, the deacidification starts. In the deacidification, decarboxylation of malic acid into a pyruvic acid and carbon dioxide in presence of light. In a light, during deacidification, the malic acid is formed during the night. It is converted into a three carbon compound structure, that is the pyruvic acid and carbon dioxide. In presence of enzyme malic, one molecule of NADP is reduced to a NADPH2. While you see the reaction, in the reaction that malic acid it is interacted with NADP plus, there is a formation of pyruvic acid and there is a formation of NADPH2 and carbon dioxide which is evolved one. That carbon dioxide which is take parts in a Kelvin cycle. That CO2 which is a take part in a Kelvin cycle. In a Kelvin cycle, that RUDP which is a form 1 and such a RUDP which is to synthesize the carbohydrates by the C3 cycle. However, the fate of pyruvic acid is still not clearly known. It may be converted to a carbohydrates and breakdown of carbohydrates gives a pyruvic acid. While you see the calm pathway overall, that is the acidification and deacidification reactions. In a night period, such a carbohydrates, in which the glycolysis, which is the occurred one, and there is a formation of phosphoenol pyruvic acid. That phosphoenol pyruvic acid, it accepts the CO2 in presence of water and the enzyme phosphoenol carbohydrates. There is a synthesis of oxaloacetic acid. For the carrying out that reaction, there is a necessity of one water molecule and there is a formation of phosphoric acid. That OAA, which is further converted into a malic acid. For that conversion, there is a necessity of malic dehydrogenase enzyme, and there is a conversion of NADPH2 into a NADP plus. Such a malic acid, which is formed during the night period, which is stored in a vacuoles. In such a plants, the stomata, these are opens during the night period. While such a malic acid, which is synthesized during the night period, in a day period, that malic acid, which is a transferred, and that malic acid, which is converted into a pyruvic acid, and there is a liberation of CO2. For that conversion, there is a necessity of enzyme malic acid and that NADPH2, which is converted into a NADP plus. Such a pyruvic acid, further there is a conversion of carbohydrates, but there is a liberation of CO2, and that CO2, which is interacts with the RUDP, which is formed in a Kelvin cycle. That CO2, which is converted into a 3-phosphoglyceraldehydes, and such a 3-phosphoglyceraldehydes further converted into a sugars, and such sugars further there is a synthesis of also carbohydrates. Such carbohydrates transferred for the carrying out a glycolysis during the night period. Significance of Crassullian acid metabolism. The first significance is the carbon dioxide fixation occurs during the dark and night. They are drought resistant and possess zero fatigue adaptations. In such a plant, the stomata remains open during the dark and closes during the day period. Thank you.